How to convert slow motion video into normal on your iPhone or iPad. To do so, first of all, open your photos on your device. Then select a video, a slow motion video that you want to put it on the normal mode. Once you select that, on the top, you will see edit option. Simply tap on it. If you tap on it, then there you will see two slider. The second one, if you slide it to the left and make it same, then it will convert slow motion video into normal on your iPhone. This is very easy step that you can follow. Once you are done, on the top right you will see done button. Simply hit on that and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily convert slow motion video into normal. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.